Would you like to know in less than 4 minutes how you can grow your list of prospects 2 times, 4 times, even 8 times to its already size? If yes, join us for today's video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today's video is all about 10 simple ideas that can help you to grow your list. Now, the problem that a lot of people come to me with is that they've either got a really small list or worse, that they don't have any list at all. So don't worry if your list is less than 10 or if your list is only 1 or maybe 0. I'm going to show you in this really simple, straightforward video how you can implement one of these strategies or more to increase the size of your list. So this is the solution that we're looking for. We want to implement one of these ideas into our digital marketing strategy. And then the outcome can quickly and simply be that we can quickly grow our list from either 1 to 10, or from 10 to 100, or from 100, or even from 1,000 to 10,000. And in other words, we can produce a stream of never-ending clients. So let's begin there with these 10 in reverse order. So the number 10, just like what I've just shown you, we can show them the problems, the pitfalls that we can help them to avoid. And then we can run them through some checklists of our service-based coaching business, and the types of problems then that you resolve better, faster, and quicker than your competition. Number 8, then we can build some worksheets. We can put some worksheets into place there for them that are quickly and easily downloadable. Really helps build your list. We can also attend educational networking events. What I'm going to be doing myself in a few days, I'm going to the South by Southwest event in Austin, Texas, in the United States. So really looking forward to that one. Really good way to build your list if you prepare for it in advance, of course. You can also offer people a sampler taster sessions, just like what we've done for some of our clients. You'll see it if you head over to the longer videos in some of the workshop in the examples. Okay. Then also what we can do is a really good idea, live or recorded an evergreen webinar session, like a type of broadcast where you can then quickly and easily grow your list by people that will subscribe to it. They may not turn up to it, but they will subscribe to it, in which case you can market to them. Number 4, keynote presentations. In other words, a VSL, just like what I'm showing you here. This is done in Keynote. Well, this is actually done in Google Slides, but it's fairly similar. And what it means, VSL, is a video sales letter. Now, off to number 3. Number 3 would be a deep dive demonstration, a longer video, like a long form video, perhaps 1 hour, perhaps 1.5 hours, where you run them through some of the services there that you provide. You show them there step by step how you've done it for other customers. For example, tutorials, testimonials, reviews, those sorts of things. Excuse me, got a bit of a cold today. Interview industry influencer experts. So in other words, what I'm telling you to do is, or I'm suggesting for you to do rather, is build a podcast. Now, how do you build a podcast? When you record a video on Zoom, like what I'm doing to you now, you get 2 files back. You get a video file and you get an audio file. You can take the audio file and you can upload it to any of the podcaster networks, Podcast, Stitcher, Zip, any ones of those. And then you can quickly influence people on a podcast platform. And podcasts, remember, are easier to listen to because they don't necessarily mean that the people have to have eyes on viewing the video. Okay, so just speak clearly, speak slowly, articulate, and then put it all onto Zoom, break it up afterwards. It breaks it up automatically for you. Now, the number one idea there in my series is, of course, curiosity. And what do I mean by curiosity? I mean by building them a video training series of 6 to 7 video lessons, really short video lessons, just like these ones here. Except the only difference is I've made 60 of them, 60, but you could make 6 or 7 of them. And can you imagine what a difference that would make? On day 1, you start out with 1 video, but on day 2, you've got 2 videos. Day 3, you've now got 3 videos. And then all of those videos are running around the internet on YouTube and on the front page of Google. So that is like top quality, top class stuff. Okay. So now think about it. Now, what are your digital marketing goals for the next month? What are they for the next quarter? And what are they for the next year? And what are they for the next 5 years? Okay. So now what I want to do is there in the next lesson on day number 9, I want to show you how you can invite the people on this list. In other words, the people that you've just taken from your ideas file, whatever one of those strategies or more than one of those strategies that you care to implement, then the idea is to quickly grow your list and then to take the prospects from this list, in other words, the pre-leads, and to invite them into a story. Now, remember what I said there the last time. I'm just going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to start sharing my video, okay? So that you can see me. Hello, everybody. And what I want to do is I want to show you on my screen, there are some of the incredible results that we're having recently, okay? So what we do is we go to, oh, I have to share my screen with you first, don't I? Share my screen, share screen. Okay, and what I do is I go to google.com. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to type in, first of all, I should show you the date and time to show you that there are no shenanigans going on. Internet date and time. Right, the time and date, here we go. This is how I always like to show it to people, to show that there's no tomfoolery or shitty business going on. It is Monday, the 7th of March in Poznan, Poland. I live in the west of Poland. They're in Europe. And it is almost 1 minute to 4. Okay, so we're going to go here now on Google. This is Google homepage, and we're going to type in 60 useful digital marketing lessons. Let's see what we get. Okay. Now, can you see the results there? The results are there. And what it is, we've got a video there for day number 1. We've got a video there for day number 2. We've got a video there for day number 3. So today, we're actually releasing their day number 4 of the course. So can you imagine that already we are occupying pole position there on google.com. Okay, and this is in a competitive niche of 7.26 billion results. Okay, 7.26 billion results. So the statistics on this are absolutely amazing. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to show people there that we can genuinely help them. We can genuinely help them really, really quick. You can see it there now. 1 minute has elapsed. Okay, we're still on Monday, the 7th of March in the year 2022. I'm talking to you from a city called Poznan in the country called Poland in the city of Europe. I'm not from Poland, by the way, but I do live here with my partner and my 2 wonderful, amazing, fantastic kids. Okay, so that gives you an idea there. There's no cheating, there's no tomfoolery going on, but these are real life results in real time. Now, if you check back to this page tomorrow, what you should find is that we'll have day number 4 and we'll have day number 5. And what we're doing is we're creating something that we call YouTube Love. Okay, so again, if you want to get hold of the longer form video, please hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe. And we'd love to hear from you all. We answer all requests as long as they're valid. Okay, so this is me now, PG Mac, saying peace out. Bye for now. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, 1 conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the 1 condition. You have to do the work. And also here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.